today we are doing a quick bedroom clean with me. So I created a 12-month sort of like challenge or cleaning focus. We have the daily tasks. We have to do them all the time. We have the weekly tasks, doing them once again all the time. Your monthly, maybe like cleaning out the shower and giving the bathroom a really deep clean. Then on top of that, I added a monthly focus. So this monthly focus is somewhat seasonal. Like in the summer, we're doing the garage, and Christmas season, we're prepping for visitors. Anywho, I have this 12-month cleaning focus. It's just like a fun addition to your cleaning routine that you might frequently do. If you're interested, it'll be linked in the description. But for this video, it is March, and my focus for March was the bedrooms. So I decided to show you just a little bit of me working on my bedroom today. I am just changing the sheets and flipping the mattress. I know this isn't anything particularly impressive, but normally my husband is home when I flip the mattress. I did it on my own today. That was a challenge for sure. I do have to be honest with you, I don't enjoy cleaning. We keep our house very tidy, very picked up, and very organized, but when it comes to deep cleaning, that still has to be done, no matter how tidy of a person you are. And I honestly just don't feel like I know what I'm doing half the time. It's something that I definitely feel like I'm still figuring out how to adult on, or how to, care for my home. And so cleaning does not come overly natural to me. I thought maybe filming these cleaning videos once a month. I previously promised that in a video that I would do my once a month cleaning focus video. I thought it would help make cleaning easier, because it's like, okay, I can't be scrolling on my phone. I can't be doing anything because I use my phone to film. So I figured, okay, I'm going to record it, maybe get motivated. I'll make a video about it. But honestly, I've decided this is not for me. Cleaning is hard enough without moving my phone around and setting it up so you can see what I'm doing, but yet at the same time making sure I'm not sharing personal information such as a license plate or maybe a medical bill sitting on the microwave, things like that. So I've come to the conclusion these cleaning videos are not the most comfortable for me to make, and I'm not going to promise them every month. If I make one, it's by choice, and I'm not going to put pressure on myself to do so. When it comes to cleaning, I need to reduce the friction and make it as easy as possible for me, not make it more difficult. Another thing I would say is, because our home is relatively tidy most of the time, I feel like my clean with me's aren't that interesting. There's some people that their bathroom vanity just gets covered with items, and they clean their bathroom, they do a full reset, and they actually make a transformation. I don't let my bathroom get messy. I don't leave my products out. So my cleaning videos, I'd have to really get in the nitty-gritty. And I also don't know if I'm comfortable sharing that. For example, cleaning the bathroom. I don't know that I want people to see a dirty house. I don't take pride in that. I don't know that it's something I want to present here on my channel. And also, I want to take my family members into consideration. I am not going to show my children's bedrooms. I just don't feel comfortable doing so. And then say I'm cleaning the bathroom. I don't really want to show my husband's toiletry items. Those are his. And I don't want to remove them. And, it becomes this thing of overthinking the video. So I don't think I'm comfortable with the cleaning videos overall. I don't think what I have to offer is a large amount of skill. Because like I said, I don't feel like I'm good at cleaning. And I don't think I have this satisfying transformation video because our house is pretty tidy and picked up. I think when it comes to parenting, mothering, homemaking, just existing for that matter, we do have to be confident in some of our choices. We have to adjust when necessary, and we have to do what works for ourselves. Do what works for you. Where you want to put your time, your effort, your energy, that is completely up to you and your situation. And I don't think I'm going to put my filming efforts into the clean with me's for that reason. I still am going to complete the monthly focus every month. I'm just not going to film it necessarily. If you're interested in knowing what monthly focus is assigned to each month of the year, I have a free PDF. It'll be in the description. Like I said, it's free. You give me your email and it'll get sent right to you. and it just has a different task for each month of the year. You can also rearrange it for what works for you and for your home. So if you're interested, I do invite you to check that out. But overall, if you're here for cleaning videos, I don't know that I'm your channel. I think there's some really great cleaning channels out there, and I don't aspire to be one of them. I just don't think it's in the cards for me, and I don't think it's truly something I'm interested in. I've now tried it for just 2 months. I did the kitchen in February, and I did the bedroom in March. The kitchen was a bit more fun. The bedroom was not. I just was feeling torn about what I wanted to show. So you're just seeing a simple shot of my bedroom here. Sometimes we do have to evaluate what we're good at and what we are not good at. And I think for me, this one was a little lesson in cleaning is not my strong suit. And I don't feel like that is something that I want to give advice in or necessarily motivate people in, because I don't feel like it's my place. Okay, some of the things I do enjoy talking about. I like talking about the baby phases, not buying baby items you don't need. I like talking about saving money. I grew up in a very thrifty home, in my opinion, and I love helping people save money. I love giving out like mom tips and mom advice. Nothing crazy, just very, very simple and basic stuff. You know, when it comes to the money saving, very simple and basic tips. And I like to give advice and tips for things that's not going to add more work to your life, more stress, or more financial strain. So those are some of the things I'm going to talk about here. And if you are interested in that kind of content, please stick around for more. I will go ahead and link the previous video that I made about the 12 months of cleaning. So if you want to check that one out, click the video at the end here. It will also be linked in the description. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.